Example 8 says, solve the inequality x squared plus 10x plus 9 is greater than 0. So we shall also find the zeros of the inequality. We have x squared plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. From a 3-term expression, we shall take it to a 4-term expression so as to be able to factorize the quadratic expression. So how do we do that? You look for 2 terms that when you multiply them together, it gives you the product of the first term and the last term. And when you add them together, it gives you the middle term. So the product of the first term and the last term is said to be plus 9x squared. And 2 terms that when you add them together, it gives you the middle term. And multiplying them gives you the product of the first term and the last term. Is said to be 9 plus 9x and plus 1x. So we are going to replace it with the middle term, which does not change the sense of the equation. So you have x squared plus x, which is plus 1x, plus 9x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we shall factorize them in 2s. Looking at the first 2 terms, what is common? X is common. So we have it at x into, when you factorize x squared, you're left with x plus 1. What is common here? You have plus 9 being common into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So factorizing them again, you have x plus 1 into brackets x plus 9 is equal to 0. And this is x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 9 is equal to 0. For when 2 expressions are being multiplied to get 0, it therefore means that one is either 0 or both of them are zeros. So it is either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? You have x to be equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 9. So we have gotten the zeros of the inequality, or the intercept of x-axis on the intercept of the parabola on x-axis. So that is going to give us something like this, where this is minus 1 and this is minus 9 on the number line. So we are looking for the region where this parabola is greater than 0. Now, if you look at it, it is at this region that is greater than 0, and at this region. At this region, we said it is less than 0. So how do we write that? We have it that minus 9 is less than x, and x is greater than minus 1. So this is how you represent it in set notation, and graphically, this is how it is being represented. So let me know how you feel about this question, and if you have a contrary answer to my solutions, you can share it with me, and it will be welcomed. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at my lesson teacher Matt. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take example 9.